Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce an extremely useful accessory for those who are using Microsoft's Surface line of computers, that is Microsoft Surface Dock, product code PD9-00003, luxurious black version, ***. Do you want to turn your compact Surface into a professional workstation in just a few seconds? Microsoft Surface Dock is the perfect solution. With just one Surface Connect cable, you can immediately connect to a series of peripherals, from separate screens, mice, keyboards, hard drives, to high-speed wired networks, all ready as soon as you plug in. The dock is equipped with up to 4 USB 3.0 ports, 2 mini DisplayPort ports, 1 RJ45 Ethernet port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, helping you work seamlessly without worrying about lack of ports or slow performance. A big plus, it connects and charges your Surface device quickly. No need to bring an extra charger, no need to worry about running out of battery in the middle of the day. Compact design, elegant black color, very suitable for placing on the office desk, at home or on business trips. And especially, it is compatible with most current Surface lines such as Surface Pro 3 to Pro 7, Surface Laptop, Surface Book, Surface Go, extremely flexible. If you are looking for an accessory to optimize your workspace, increase speed and convenience, then Microsoft Surface Dock PD9-00003 is a great choice. Genuine Microsoft product, full warranty, great price at store name. Hurry up and order today to receive many attractive offers. Please click here.